My name is Jamie Smith. I manage a company, Lanetco Computer Networks. We're an MSP in Toronto, Canada. We've been in business in MSP since 1991. Datto was what we had used for the BDR solution, but we had a couple of different cloud-based, file level and image-based backup solutions. What we found is as we got larger and as we had more customers and more clients and more servers to back up, the amount of time that it would take to do that and the amount of time it would take to manage and maintain that fleet, as well as the reliability on the ability to do restore functions. Those became really critical, especially when the fleet is larger, and what we needed to do was reduce the amount of time that it took to manage that fleet and produce something that was more reliable for our team, so that when we had to do a restore, we knew we could do it effortlessly. We knew by comparing the different products that we were using that it was far less time to manage and maintain the Datto fleet than it was to do the other solutions that we were using. By the end of the first year, we were able to see that we could reduce that time by about 220 to 240 hours that we predicted or seen in the previous year. With all customers now, we have to have a Datto device in there. The reasons for that are very simple. We know that they believe that if we're managing their infrastructure, that we're also in charge of their backups, and we need to have a product that we know that we can rely upon for fast and rapid restores, as well as reliable restores. That's the most important. In this instance here, we've got a customer, a prospect that we brought on in the distribution vertical, did our onboarding, implemented a Datto device, did our network assessments, PCI reporting, found some holes in their security and in their infrastructure that we needed to fill. But within 60 days, and prior to having filled all the holes that we knew that needed to be done, and tasks that needed to be done with that customer, their servers were hacked and they had ransomware. And all files, all services were encrypted. This was going to be a complete restore. When that was found out overnight, the next business day, we turned off their existing servers and implemented and turned on their servers in the Datto device that we had implemented. They didn't miss a beat. Within hours, they were back up and running. We were able to continue to run them on that for the remainder of the week until the weekend when we restored everything back to their hardware.